Start Late, Finish Rich by David Bach. Steps to reach financial goals even starting later in life. Start Late, Finish Rich is a book by David Bach that provides a step-by-step guide to financial success, even if you start late in life. The book is divided into 5 parts. Part 1, The Power of Starting Late. In this part, Bach argues that it is never too late to start saving for retirement. He provides several case studies of people who started saving late in life and still achieved financial success. Part 2, The 10-Step Finish Rich Plan. This part outlines the 10 steps that Bach believes everyone should take to achieve financial success. These steps include setting financial goals, creating a budget, paying off debt, and investing for retirement. Part 3, The Finish Rich Mindset. This part discusses the importance of having the right mindset for financial success. Bach argues that we need to believe in ourselves and our ability to achieve our goals. Part 4, The Finish Rich Tools. This part provides specific tools and resources that can help you achieve financial success. These include budgeting software, investment calculators, and financial planning websites. Part 5, The Finish Rich Community. This part encourages readers to connect with others who are also on the path to financial success. Bach believes that we can learn from each other and support each other along the way. Start Late, Finish Rich is a practical and inspiring book that can help anyone achieve financial success, regardless of their age or circumstances. Here are some of the key takeaways from the book. It is never too late to start saving for retirement. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you start late, you can still achieve financial success if you follow a plan and stay disciplined. The most important factor in achieving financial success is your mindset. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. There are many resources available to help you achieve financial success. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. It is never too late to start saving for retirement. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. This is because of the power of compound interest. Compound interest is when your interest earns interest. So, the longer your money has to grow, the more it will grow. Even if you start late, you can still achieve financial success if you follow a plan and stay disciplined. It may take you longer to reach your goals if you start late, but it is still possible. The key is to start saving as soon as possible and to make regular contributions to your retirement savings. The most important factor in achieving financial success is your mindset. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. If you have a positive mindset, you will be more likely to stick to your plan and reach your goals. There are many resources available to help you achieve financial success. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are financial advisors, books, websites, and other resources that can help you get started. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep saving and investing, and you will eventually reach your goals. If you are starting late in life, it is important to start saving as soon as possible. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. And the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. There are a few things you can do to make saving for retirement easier if you are starting late. Automate your savings. This means setting up a system where your money is automatically deducted from your paycheck and deposited into your retirement savings account. This will help you to avoid temptation and make sure that you are saving consistently. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement savings accounts. These accounts offer tax breaks that can help you save more money for retirement. Some examples of tax-advantaged retirement savings accounts include 401(k)s, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Invest your money wisely. There are many different investment options available, so it is important to choose ones that are right for you. You should also consider working with a financial advisor to help you develop an investment plan. Starting late in life does not mean that you cannot achieve financial success. By following these tips, you can still reach your retirement goals. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is the idea that your interest earns interest. So, the longer your money has to grow, the more it will grow. For example, if you invest $100 and earn 5% interest per year, your investment will be worth $105 at the end of the year. But if you let that investment continue to grow for another year, you will earn interest on both the original $100 and the $5 interest you earned the first year. So, at the end of the second year, your investment will be worth $110.25. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. This means that even if you can only save a small amount each month, it will add up over time. For example, if you start saving $100 per month at age 25 and earn 5% interest per year, you will have $100,000 by the time you retire at age 65. But if you wait until age 35 to start saving, you will only have $61,000 by the time you retire. Even if you start late, you can still achieve financial success if you follow a plan and stay disciplined. The most important factor in achieving financial success is your mindset. You need to believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Your mindset is your attitude and beliefs about yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. It is important to have a positive mindset if you want to achieve financial success. This means believing in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals, even when things get tough. If you have a negative mindset, you will be more likely to give up on your goals. You will also be more likely to make poor financial decisions. For example, if you believe that you are not good with money, you are more likely to overspend and accumulate debt. On the other hand, if you have a positive mindset, you will be more likely to stick to your goals and make wise financial decisions. You will also be more likely to attract opportunities that will help you achieve your financial goals. Here are some tips for developing a positive mindset for financial success. Set realistic goals. If you set goals that are too ambitious, you are more likely to get discouraged and give up. Start by setting small, achievable goals and then gradually increase your goals as you achieve them. Visualize yourself achieving your goals. Take some time each day to visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. This will help you to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Surround yourself with positive people, ***. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on your mindset. Surround yourself with people who are supportive of your goals and who believe in you. Take action. The best way to change your mindset is to take action. Start taking steps towards your financial goals, no matter how small. As you see yourself making progress, your mindset will start to change. Developing a positive mindset is essential for achieving financial success. By following these tips, you can change your mindset and start achieving your financial goals. There are many resources available to help you achieve financial success. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your successes along the way.